Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. And for today's recipe, I'll be showing you how to make a quick and easy curry chicken recipe. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so I'm using half a chicken, right? It's already clean, washed, and prep and all that good stuff. So we're just gonna start off by adding some all-purpose seasoning. After you add your all-purpose, go ahead and add your chicken seasoning, a little bit of crushed pimento seeds, a little bit of Scotch bonnet pepper, and then you just want to mix all these spices together. And you just want to marinate this for about 30 minutes, and then you're good to go. All right, guys, so we're gonna start off by adding our curry powder, a little bit of fresh grated turmeric, some fresh ginger. Mix it up a little. Add some onion, potatoes, green onion, some fresh thyme, and now we're going to add our chicken. After you add your chicken, you just want to mix everything together. And we're just going to close it down for a few minutes. All right, guys, so after you close your lid, it's going to produce its own steam, its own liquid, and it's going to allow our chicken to cook at a faster pace. Then you want to stir fry the chicken, make sure it's nice and yellow, it's nice and rich. Then we're going to add about 3 cups of water, and then cook down the chicken for about 15 minutes. After you add your water, just close the lid, and give it a good 15 minutes, and your chicken should be nice and soft afterwards. Stay tuned, don't go nowhere. So after cooking our curry chicken for about 15 minutes, guys, this is it. The gravy is nice and rich. All the flavors them combined together. It's gonna be so good. Right now, I'm just gonna enjoy my curry chicken with some nice boiled dumpling. In my opinion, this is the perfect combination right here. Boiled dumpling and curry chicken. The best.